I'll show you how you can make another account on Instagram. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing. Once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. You may want to go and create another account for a new business on Instagram or just another personal account. It doesn't matter, I'll show you how. So the first thing you want to do is go to your profile page on Instagram. To do that, just go and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right. And then what we need to do is head to our Instagram settings. So to do that, you then just need to go to the top right of your profile page and tap on the three bars in the top right. And this will then open up this sort of menu of options. And we then need to go and click on settings. And once you've opened up your settings, you then need to go and scroll to the bottom here. And as you can see, we then have the option for add account, but don't worry because we're not only adding accounts, we can also go and create new ones as well. So then go and tap on add account like this. And as you can see, we then have these two options here, log into an existing account. So if you have another account you want to add to your Instagram app, tap there. Or if you want to go and create a brand new account and have it on the Instagram app, then go and tap on create new account. And when you go and tap there, then what you can do is go and choose your username. So I could just go and make this GuideRealm 2, as I already have the GuideRealm username on another account. It wasn't available, so I changed it to Rob GuideRealm, and then you can go and tap on next. And what Instagram are actually offering here is to go and share logins. So instead of creating a new password, you can go and share logins across accounts and manage all of your accounts and connected experiences in one place. So you can do that if you want. If you don't want to, then just press not you at the bottom and you can go and create your own password for this new Instagram account. So go and follow all the instructions Instagram gives you, and then your new profile will be made. And then once you've gone and created your new profile, you can easily go and switch between accounts. All you need to do is hold on your profile picture in the bottom right, hold on it like this. And then if you go and hold on it, it's going to go and show you all the accounts you've got. As you can see, I've got GuideRealm and then two other personal accounts as well. And they're all going to appear there. So if you found this useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.